I can honestly say walking in on that first day compared to my very last session, two completely different people.
We provide a range of dedicated services for young people in the area of sexual health, ensuring that young people get access to the right care at the right time in the right place.
So there's no need to be embarrassed about coming in here because the staff are lovely and everything's very reassuring.
So for me it's just about meeting young people where they're at and giving them the space where they can kind of explore what it is they feel they need. Sex is not just about the physical and the biological stuff, that it's about all the other stuff as well: consent, trust, relationship, self-esteem.
It was what I expected in the sense of I got help. I wasn't expecting to get the level of help that I did.
The Youth Health Service is based in Cork City. It's between the bus station and the train stations. The Youth Health Service has a range of services available to young people here in the area of sexual health. So that includes a counselling service for sexual health related issues. We're not a general counselling service. Unplanned pregnancy, post-termination counselling. We also have youth work one-to-one support for young people around sexual health education, information. It might be around consent, might be around gender identity. We also do group information sessions with second level and youth and community settings for young people so that they can find out about us and access our service. We have drug and alcohol counselling and support, and then we have 2 clinics available here as well. We have our contraceptive clinic and we also have our sexually transmitted infection clinic. So the Youth Health Service is a service for young people 23 years and under. Once you've started secondary school right up until your 24th birthday, you can access the services here. If you're 16 or over, you can consent to accessing the services yourself. However, if you're under 16, we will need parent or guardian consent.
So there are 2 clinics here in the YHS, 2 medical clinics. One is contraception and the other is STI. We provide all forms of contraception like coils. Like the most popular ones would be the pills, Implanon, which people know better as the bar, and coils, and then to a lesser extent maybe the pill or the patches and the ring, but basically everything goes. We provide emergency contraception and we provide pregnancy testing. The STI clinic is here 2 days a week as well. They're an outreach service from the South Infirmary, whereas the main clinic is there. And there is a doctor and a nurse and a health advisor here. If you feel that you have a symptom like a discharge or an itch or just worried, come in for a screen. Yes, you will have to have an examination, but everything is explained and it's all very gentle. I'd always advise that if you're worried or you're scared, bring a friend, bring your older sister or your older brother, or bring a parent or a guardian if needs be as well.
So from day one, my primary focus here has been on how do we support young people coming into this service. So I will always try and take time to help young people figure out what it is that they need. I will always ask the question when somebody comes in, how do you feel about being here? The 2 most common answers over the last 20 years are they feel nervous or they feel allergic or both. And my plan is that they feel less nervous going out the door or feel less allergic going out the door after that initial service visit. We now find that most young people will hear about this place from a friend or their friends are telling them. And the one thing I enjoy about working with teenagers in particular is if they think something is crap, they'll tell you. If they think you're talking crap, they'll tell you. But if they think something is good, they'll tell a friend. I would encourage young people, if you're worried, concerned in relation to any aspect to do with your sexual health, worried about stuff you may have seen online, the pressure you feel under to get engaged in particular things or not engaged in particular things, and the pressure you feel under to be something that you're not, if you're concerned about your sexual orientation, your gender identity, what you will meet here in YHS is somebody who's understanding and non-judgmental.
I can proudly say that I needed help. I was looking for help. I didn't know where to go about getting it. I'd heard about the service through a family friend. I came in here with my parents, spoke to Liam on the first day. We were just chatting back and forth, got to know each other a bit, and then at the end just asked what can I do to help. He gave me the option to come in by myself or come in with someone else as well. I couldn't recommend it enough, honestly, just because of the amount of help that they do give. Even if you're thinking about it, just give them a call. You've absolutely nothing to lose. And I think the biggest thing as well is the amount of free services that are offered. I was able to come in here without putting myself or my parents under any financial pressure, which is a big help. When I think of my time here and when I think of the people I met here, I just think of the inclusivity and how helpful they actually are is wonderful.